Okay, having a look here at creating a linear equation from a table of values. First thing we obviously want to make sure that we're aware of is that the equation we make is going to be in the form of y equals mx plus c. In saying that, for example, we might come up with an equation that's y equals 2x plus 0, which we would obviously write as y equals 2x. So that c part might not always be visible, but it is there. So just keep that in mind as we look at an example. As always, with our linear equations, there's two things that we need to go and find. One is our m and one is our c. To help us fill those two boxes in, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at what needs to be added or subtracted as we go from one y value to the next. Okay, so negative 5 to 1, we're adding 6, 1 to 7, adding 6, 7 to 13, adding 6. And that should be the case because linear rules are all about constant change. Okay, so that 6, very simply, goes here beside our x. So that's actually our gradient. All right. Now, we've got the makings of an equation here, y equals 6x. So we're going to go and apply some of that to our table of values. 6 times our x value. So in this case, 6 times 0 is 0. And then what do I do to get to minus 5? I've got to take 5. So I'm going to go and chuck that here. Okay, at the moment, our equation is y equals 6x, take 5. We're just going to go and test it now. 6 times 1 is 6. Take 5 gets us 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Take 5 is 7. 6 times 3 is 18. Take 5 is 13. So very simple. All right. Second example here. Again, we're going to go and find out what's being done each time. And this one's even more obvious. But we are adding 3. So 3 goes here. All right. We're then going to go and apply this part of the equation to our table above. And we're going to go, it says 3 lots of x. So 3 lots of 1 is 3. What have we got to do to get the 3? I don't need to do anything. Try again. Next one. 3 lots of 2 is 6. I don't need to do anything. 3 lots of 3 is 9. Don't need to do anything. So this is that situation where we have a y equals 3x plus 0. Now, when you write that equation, I'd be encouraging you just to write it as y equals 3x. That plus 0 is still there, but we just don't need to write it.